Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to MetaMask. This process allows you to manage your crypto assets from one interface, offering greater flexibility. We'll cover exporting your private key or seed phrase from Trust Wallet, then importing it securely into MetaMask. Understanding these steps ensures you maintain full control and security over your digital funds. Let's get started with the first crucial step. First, open your Trust Wallet application. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. From there, select Wallets and choose the specific wallet you wish to connect. You'll then find an option to show recovery phrase or export private key. Carefully write down or copy this information, as it is the master key to your funds. Remember, never share this with anyone. Now open your MetaMask application or browser extension. If you're setting up MetaMask for the first time, choose Import using Secret Recovery Phrase or Import Wallet. If you already have a MetaMask account, click on your account icon, then Import Account. You'll be prompted to paste your private key or enter your seed phrase. Do this with extreme care, ensuring no errors. After importing, your Trust Wallet account should now appear within MetaMask. Take a moment to verify that your asset balances are correctly displayed. You might need to add custom tokens if they don't show up automatically. With your wallet successfully connected, you can now manage your funds and interact with decentralized applications using the MetaMask interface, accessing your Trust Wallet assets seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.